morning. Today I'm back with another video. I am going to be doing a video all about disinfecting. We touch doorknobs, the countertops, remote controls, handles for the sinks. It's just gonna be how to maintain your space disinfected and also how to maintain good habits on how to keep it that way. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. This is literally the death of me. I hate washing the pillow covers, but since it's the season of everybody being sick, you just want to make sure that every once in a while you disinfect your pillow covers. There's more, and it's already been 5 minutes and 26 seconds of me taking this stuff off. And make sure that when you wash your items, unless they're delicate, make sure to wash them on the sanitize setting. Here's a nice chore that I know most people don't like doing, taking off their duvet cover to wash it. It literally takes ages to do, and especially putting it on is too much, but it has to be done because these are some of the things that catch germs. Now I'm going in on the surfaces. Make sure you check if the surface is Clorox friendly because you don't want to ruin your things. So what I'm doing is I'm spraying on the product and I'm waiting 10 minutes before it can soak really well and kill everything. And after those 10 minutes, I'm going to go in and wipe all of the surfaces and all of the knobs that I applied this to. Woo! Now I'm actually going to put the product on the rag. I'm gonna go ahead and put a glove on so my hands won't get destroyed. Now I'm just going in, wiping down all the lights and wiping down the controllers and just the handles of the console table. Not to forget this little handle right here. This is one of the most touched places in my house. I did have my Grove order come in, and this is Grove. It's called Grove Collaborative. Anyway, I had my box come in, and I like purchasing these microfiber cloths. They come in gray, blue, and green. So I like using these. Now I'm going into the kitchen to spray down all of the countertops and all the handles, and make sure again that you leave the product on for at least 10 minutes so that way when you wipe it, it's going to be ready to go. Now I'm just going into our bedroom and wiping down our remotes and also our handles to our nightstands. In the bathroom with the Clorox spray just to make sure that everything is nice and disinfected and all the bacteria and viruses are killed. So the first thing I do when I come in the house, anything I have in my hands, my keys, my phone, anything, I'll put it down. I started my video with these pillows and I'm finishing my video with these pillows. I hope you guys enjoyed this video so much. I hope it gave you ideas on how to keep your house disinfected. Also, if you haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I try to put out content every week, and be sure to give it a thumbs up if you like it. If not, you can give it a thumbs down so that I can know how to better my content. Also, if you want any videos or have any video suggestions for me, please leave them down below and I will be sure to try to accommodate your video requests accordingly. Have a great day and stay virus free.